Hi, friends. I'm Mrs. Lodato, and I am so excited to be back with you again to do some first grade math. Today, we're going to start with our math warm up to get our brains ready. Then, we're going to look at lots of different addition problems and review them with our addition strategies. Let's get started. Okay, let's get ready to warm up our brains. First, we're going to count by tens. If you want to get up off the couch and do some stretches while you count by tens, that would be wonderful as well. Let's start 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Great job counting by tens. Now let's switch it up and we're going to count by fives. And when I count by fives, I give a high five every time I count. Let's start. We're counting by fives. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. You all are doing an amazing job. Next, we're going to review our 2D shapes, and I have a fun little poem that goes with them. So first I'm going to say it, and then you're going to copy me. So watch my arrow. My turn first. Rectangle, uneven sides. You say it. Great job. My turn. Triangle, 3 sides. You say it. Awesome. I think you have the hang of it. Rhombus, diamond. Good. Heart, I love you. Oval, long and round. Hexagon, 6 sides. I have a few more 2D shapes. My turn first. Circle, never stops. Square, 4 sides. Starlight, star bright. Trapezoid, trapped inside. Awesome job on your 2D shapes. We know that they are 2D shapes because they're flat. Next up is our 3D shapes. I have another poem for this, so copy me. 3D shapes are fat, not flat. Good. A cylinder, a can of pop. A sphere is like a bouncy ball. A prism is a building tall. A cube is like a dice you roll. A pyramid, a tent you build. A cone is like a party hat. 3D shapes are here and there. 3D shapes are everywhere. Amazing. You did an amazing job repeating those 2D and 3D shapes. Up next, we're going to refresh our brains with some of our coins. So I'm going to start with the first coin. Do you know what this first coin is? Yes, a penny. And a penny is worth 1 cent. How much is a penny worth? Good. Here's my poem. My turn first. Penny, penny, easily spent. Copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. Great job. What was that coin again? Yes, a penny. Next is a nickel. What is it? Great. And the nickel is worth 5 cents. My turn with the poem. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents. I know that. Oh, great job. You are my coin experts. Next one. This guy is a dime. What is he? Yes, a dime. And a dime is worth 10 cents. How much is a dime worth? Great. My turn with the poem first. Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. Great job with our dime. And our last coin is our big coin, and that is our quarter. And the quarter is worth the most out of all of the coins we just reviewed. It is worth 25 cents. Holy moly, right? All right, my turn with the poem. Quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25, I am told. Great job with all of the coins. We remembered those 4 coins. A penny, that is worth how much again? Yes, 1 cent. And then we learned the nickel. And how much is the nickel worth again? Yes, 5 cents. And then last but not least is our dime. And our dime is worth, yes, 10 cents. And then our big one, our big quarter. How much is that worth? Yes, 25 cents. Great job warming up your brains, mathematicians. I know that you're ready for today's lesson. Hey, my first grade mathematicians, let's review some of our cool addition strategies. Let's start with this problem. And if you look at this problem, I noticed something special about it. Where is the equal sign? Yes, in the middle. So that tells us the equal sign, we say oftentimes is like a balance. So it's a scale, and we need both sides to be the same amount. So if I had 3 blocks on this side of the scale and 10 blocks on this side of the scale, it wouldn't be even. I want to make them 3 and 3, so they're equal. So that's what our equal sign is going to help us do in this problem. And they're going to try to trick you, but we are going to use our strategies to solve these problems. So I know that my problem needs to be balanced. So I'm going to draw this, which is like my little scale. It's a little balanced to help me know that each side needs to be the same. When I look at this problem, I know that I can solve the left or the right side because I have all my numbers. Which side has all its numbers and we can already solve? The left or the right? Yes, the left. So I can look at the left side of this problem and solve it. So I see 5 plus 9. Now, some of us might have 5 plus 9, the sum or what it equals in our schema, and that's great. And if we don't, we can use our strategies to help us solve this problem. So I know that when I add numbers that aren't too big, I can always grab my highest number or my biggest number and start counting up with that number. For example, in 5 plus 9, I know 9 is my biggest number, so I'm going to start at 9 and count up 5 more. So what I want you to do is show me how many you're going to count up. Yes, we're going to count up 5 more. We're counting up 5 more, but we're going to grab that 9. We're going to start with 9, and it will help us be speedy mathematicians. So watch me do it. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You do it with me. Grab 9 and then count up. Make sure you touch your fingers. Ready? Grab 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What is 5 plus 9? Yes, 14. It's 14. So now I know my left side is 14, so my right side is going to have to equal 14. Now, can I just put 14 in this box? Nope, I can't put 14 in that box because it's 6 plus that box, and 6 plus 14 does not equal 14. So I am going to count up again to help me figure out what number should go in here. So I have 6, but I want it to equal 14. So I'm going to use the same strategy, but I'm going to put my fingers up and stop when I get to 14. So I'm going to grab 6 and then count up. Watch me do it. I'm going to grab 6 and stop at 14. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes. So now I have how many fingers? 8. Because I grabbed 6 and I counted up. I stopped when I got to 14 and I showed 8 fingers. Do that with me. Let's practice together. Grab 6 and we're going to put up a finger and stop at 14. Ready? Grab 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers do I have? 8. So my mystery number is 8 because 6 plus 8 equals 14. Great job, mathematicians. Let's try this next one. Now look at this problem again. It's the same balance problem, so I want both sides to be equal. What side can I already figure out? I don't even have to try to find a missing number. The left or the right? Yes, the left. I can already figure out what 2 plus 8 is. And in first grade, we work with friends of 10 or finding two numbers that equal 10. And that just popped into my schema when I saw 2 and 8 because I know 2 and 8 are friends of 10. So 2 plus 8 equals 10. So I know both sides need to equal 10. So now on this side, I have 5 plus my mystery number to make 10. Something just popped in my head again. I know 5's friend to make 10. 5 plus what equals 10? You tell me. Yes, 5 plus 5 is 10. Great job. 5 plus 5 is also a doubles fact. So we have a friend of 10 and doubles. My goodness, that one was super quick for us to solve because we have that schema of friends of 10 and doubles. Those are great to have. Good thing we've learned those in first grade. I see a different type of problem. What do you notice about this problem that wasn't like our other ones? So I heard someone say it's completely blank on one side of the equals. You're right. And then I also heard someone say that they're two double-digit numbers. We didn't have double-digit numbers before. Now, do I have 49 fingers? Nope, can't count that way. Would Miss Lodato want to sit here and draw 49 circles? No, my hand would get tired. So my solution for those, if I need to draw a picture to solve this problem, I'm going to draw my 10s and my 1s because these numbers are so big, I can't count them on my fingers, and I can't draw them. I'd be super tired, and I want to use my time wisely. So I am going to draw my 10s and 1s for 49 and 20 to help me solve this problem. So 49. If you have a marker board or pencil and paper, you can draw your 10s and 1s and figure out the sum or the answer with me. Or you can always use your magic pen, and your magic pen is your finger, and you can draw your 10s and your 1s in your air with me, in the air with me. Ready? Let's make 49 with our 10s and 1s first. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Whew. All right, but I'm not done yet. I made 49, but now we have to make 20. All right, help me make 20. It can be in the air or on your paper. Ready? 10, 20. Right, we made our tens and ones for 49 and 20. Now I need to put them together because I have my addition symbol that's telling me to put those groups together. Let's count them all together the fast way, pointing at our tens and ones. You may point at my screen or on your paper. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. Did you get 69? Just like me, our sum or our total is 69. Great job, mathematicians. Another double-digit problem. Well, we know how to solve this. Let's draw our tens and ones. 34 plus 12 equals how many? 34 plus 12 equals how many? Go ahead and draw your tens and ones for 34 or do them in the air with me. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. We did 34. Now we need to do 12. Ready? Let's do our tens and ones for 12. 10, 11, 12. Right. We drew our tens and ones for 34 and 12. Now we need to find out how many there are together or find the total or the sum. Help me count them. You can point to the screen or your paper. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. We found our total. 46. 34 plus 12 is 46. Mathematicians, you are doing amazing. I have another type of problem. What do you notice about this problem? Yes, it has 3 addends. Most of our problems that we see in first grade have 2, but this one gives us 3 addends. When we have a problem with 3 addends, our trick is to find 2 addends that we can easily add together. So I look for plus zeros or plus ones or doubles or friends of 10. Do you see any friends of 10 in this problem? No, me either. Do you see any plus zeros in here? No, me either. What about doubles? Yes, I do. What 2 doubles do you see? 3 plus 3. We know those double facts in our head. What's 3 plus 3? Tell me. Yes, 6. So I know that 3 plus 3 is 6. So I added my 3 and 3. But I have to bring down Mr. 4 right here. We haven't added him yet. So I'm going to bring down 4. And now I have a new problem. Read my new problem with me. Ready? 6 plus 4 equals blank. Now this is super easy to add because we know in our schema what 6 plus 4 is in first grade. What's 6 plus 4? Yes, 10. So now we know that 3 plus 4 plus 3 equals 10. Oh, you are addition experts. Great job. Let's try another triple digit addition problem, or no, a triple add-in number problem. So let's read our problem. 7 plus 3 plus 5 equals how many? I need to look and see if I can use any of my first grade strategies. Do you see any plus ones? No. Plus zeros? No. Doubles? No. Friends of 10? Yes, I see friends of 10. What two numbers with those three add-ins equal 10? Which two can I add together and make 10? Yes, 7 and 3 make 10. So I use 7 and 3, but I can't forget about our 5 over here. So now I need to add it over here. So I have 10 plus 5 equals how many? What does 10 plus 5 equal? Yes, 15. Great job. 10 plus 5 equals 15. Now we know that 10 plus 5 is 15, so now we know that 7 plus 3 plus 5 equals 15. Amazing job, mathematicians. This math problem is a word problem, and when I am solving word problems, I use a special trick called cubes. Some of you might know cubes. If you don't, no worries. I'm going to teach you about it today. So, the first thing you do in word problems is read the word problem. So let's read our word problem together. I have 4 dogs, 3 cats, and 2 fish at my house. How many pets do I have at my house? I read the word problem, then I'm going to do cubes to help me figure out the solution to the word problem. So every letter in cube stands for something. So to start with, I'm going to start with my C. Now copy me. C. Circle the numbers. Great job. So I am going to do C, circle the numbers. Shout out what numbers you see on my word problem. Yes, 4, 3. Are there any more numbers? Yes, 2. Those are the numbers. I did my C part of cubes. Next, copy me. You. Underline the question. Yes, what is my question in my word problem? Very good. How many pets do I have at my house? That's the question. I know it's a question because I can see that question mark. I did you. Next up is B. Copy me. B. Box the keywords. Very good. Keywords are going to help me figure out what I'm going to do with my problem. What keywords do you see in my problem? Ooh, I heard someone say, and I heard someone say, how many? Very good. All right, we're ready for our next step of cubes. Copy me. E. Evaluate and draw. Yes, so I'm going to look at the problem. Evaluate means I need to figure it out and see what's going on in the problem. And draw can mean my tens and ones, our circles, our dots, whatever is easiest for our brains. So let's see. I see that there's 4 dogs, 3 cats, and 2 fish, and I boxed the word and, so usually that means together. So I'm gonna have 4 dogs. I'm just gonna draw 4 D's to help me. All right, and 3 cats. So I'm going to draw 3 C's. And then it has 2 fish. So I'm going to draw 2 F's for fish. 1, 2. So there are all the animals at my house. So I'm going to evaluate them. So if I look at all my letters, I could count them and figure out how many animals are at my house. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 animals at my house. I did E, evaluate and draw. Now here's my last one. Copy me. S. Solve and check. Yes, so I need to make sure I can write my number sentence here. So solve and check. So it says I have 4 dogs. I know I need these numbers that we circled. 3 cats and 2 fish. But is that a number sentence? No. What does it need? Oh, I heard someone say equal. So I know these 3, when they're together, they're going to equal. Let me just put that line. What else am I missing? Yes, in this problem, I'm using addition. So I need to make sure I put a plus here. But is it 4 plus 32? No, it's another group of animals, so it will be another plus. So now I have my number sentence. 4 plus 3 plus 2 equals blank. Or how many? I can solve this using my schema. I know what 4 plus 3 is. What's 4 plus 3? Tell me. Yes, 7. Then I'm going to bring down my friend 2. What's 7 plus 2? Yes, 9. Did I get 9 when I solved my problem? Yes. Let's check it with my picture. Did I get 9 when I drew my picture? Yes, so we solved and checked. So they have 9 pets at their house. That's how many there are total. Great job using your addition strategies. I love it. Mathematicians, I had so much fun practicing our addition strategies and the different addition problems today. Keep on growing and keep on learning. Bye.